Grew up on the countryside of town.
Yo, what up, folks? If you're anything like me and you spend a lot of money on your bikes to upgrade and to make it look good, and you got a Suzuki RM, one thing that you can't really find is brake pedals and brake pedal tips for this specific bike, for the Suzuki RM. They have other like replacement levers, but they're cheap. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to replace this brake pedal tip, the stock brake pedal tip, with a Hammerhead brake pedal tip. The stock brake lever is forged and it's pretty strong. It's way better than any of that cheap aftermarket stuff you can find. So yeah, let's just get right into it. First thing I'm going to do is to remove the brake from the bike using this 8mm Allen head. I'm making this look easy because it's already apart. Most people know how to remove a brake lever already anyway, but so set that down. And now basically what you want to do is grind this part of, I don't know what to call it right now, but you're going to grind this away. And since I don't have a grinder, I'm going to use a file to remove that. I got it filed all the way down. Now I'm probably going to use like a punch or something and smack it to get it out of there. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick this screwdriver and kind of use it as like a wedge in between the tip, the brake tip, and the rest of the lever. And I'm going to pound on it until it comes out. Alright, I filed it down just a little bit more, and I put, if I can get this shit to focus, and I put a screwdriver in between this spot right here. Put it right there, and then I hit on it a few times, and I also put it on the other side on the bottom over here. This is where I got most of it to come out. Stuck the screwdriver right there and smacked on it a few times until I got enough space. Now I can get in between there. Okay, so I got the tip off. I lost one of the rivets somewhere. But I'm gonna clean this. Lever up, and then I'm gonna proceed to tap the hole. The hole is already the right size. It just needs to be tapped. All right, guys, I ran into a snag. For some reason, I don't know if I got these mixed up with something else, but I'm pretty sure these are the two bolts that came with this Hammerhead brake tip kit. And the thread pitch is different on these two. They're both M5 screws, but one of them is a M5 by 0.8, and I don't know what the other one is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this one, because this is the one that's an odd thread pitch. So I'm going to move that to the side, and I'm going to use this. This is just a longer M5 by 0.8 thread pitch screw. So I'll probably have to cut it off the bottom after I put it together. But I'm going to tap the lever for these two screws. Alright, I got the threads tapped. And again, you want to use an M5 by 0.8 tap. I don't know if they made it like that on purpose with the two different thread pitch screws, but that had to be a mistake. But this one, M5. And from there, really, it's just simple. I would use Loctite. Can you hold this for me? I'm gonna take it apart later after I test fit it, just to make sure it doesn't come off. But that looks pretty good to me. And now if I ever wanted to, I can adjust it back and move back. I got an extra hole, so if I ever wanted to, I can just move this back. But I got a big foot, so I'm gonna leave it right there. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I also threw that brake return spring on there. But as you can see, it looks pretty good. I put a lot of Loctite. You can see some of it kind of on the side right there. And then as you can see, that long bolt, it just barely came out, so it actually wasn't a bad idea. It looks good though. Here we go. There we go. Sweet.
Grew up on the countryside of town. EMI cooking my nigga. Do it for the South, y'all know. Born and raised with them rubber flag, hang hung slave. Grew up where you niggas won't go.